Amazon business owners and soon to be Amazon business owners. It's Tim with ALGO Online Retail. Recently we were on a call with a big Amazon seller that is selling popular name brand products, and they're doing over $500,000 a month in sales on Amazon. Now, we were looking to invest in their Amazon business and help them scale and grow even more using our capital. Now, anytime we talk to a successful Amazon business owner like this, we will always ask them, what's your secret? What are you doing? Now, this Amazon seller's answer didn't surprise me. Here it is. Get up every day and work hard. Put in the time it takes to rinse and repeat. Repeat what is working and do it every day as much as possible. Now, that doesn't surprise me because that's basically the answer I've heard from every seven-figure Amazon seller I've ever met. But that's not what you would think is happening if you went to social media. Social media talks about, hey, to be successful on Amazon, you need some new strategy, some new listing hack, some new PPC strategy that no one else has ever heard of. To be successful on Amazon, it's actually fairly simple. You need the right business model, and you need to work hard. You need to put in the effort. So I wanted to do a quick little video to just remind everyone that that's what it takes to be successful. And here's why. A lot of Amazon sellers will get discouraged. They'll start looking for shortcuts. Maybe they thought they were going to be a millionaire in their first week selling on Amazon. But that's not how a successful Amazon business is built. And basically, that's not how any business is built. It takes time. Brick by brick, step by step, you can build a successful Amazon business. But here's the good news. In 2021, there is no better place to build a successful business for you than on Amazon. Now, if you're out there on YouTube looking for different videos and trying to put together all the pieces, that's an impossible task. So I want to save you some time, save you some effort. I want to put all the pieces together for you. Here's what I'm doing. I'm going to be holding a free live workshop. There's a link right down there for the workshop. Click on that link and save your seat. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you a time-tested, proven business model. I will spend 60 minutes going through step by step exactly how to do it. Then I'll do a 30-minute question and answer period. If you are willing to put in the effort and work hard, I'm going to show you that time-tested, proven business model that you can use to build a successful Amazon business. If this sounds like something you're interested, you'd like to learn how to do that, click on that link, get registered, save your virtual seat, and I'll see you soon.